everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's of course another day in the life. I'm a little out of breath because I just played Just Dance. It is currently 1:57 on a lovely April 14th on a Wednesday. And yeah, I'm just taking a break. I start class at 2:30. We have English. And yeah, today has been good. I went and got my liquid quack. We went to Dunkin'. I should probably stop saying that because people might get the wrong ideals. But yeah, so that's how my day is going so far. I had chemistry this morning at 9:30, and then I had Spanish at 12:30. So today has been very productive. The only thing that I have left for today that's actually scheduled is my CRSB meeting at 7:30, which is just my sorority meeting because I sit on a board, which is, I believe, is called the Community Relations and Standards Board. So that's what CRSB stands for. So I think while I wait for class to start, either gonna watch some YouTube videos because I haven't been really watching YouTube videos, and drink some Gatorade to replenish some electrolytes that I lost playing Just Dance. It was fun. You should definitely get it. I found it through somebody's TikTok. Like, you could download Just Dance on your laptop and use your phone as a controller. But you're going to play two songs for free, and then like if you want to do more, you have to obviously pay money. But if you don't want to do that, you can just simply search up Just Dance's YouTube thingies on YouTube and do it for free that way too. And I just like doing this as a form of kind of like exercise, but not like really doing exercise. But I'm rambling too much, so let's just get into the rest of the day. Right now, I'm just eating like a late lunch. It's currently 4:46, and I'm watching YouTube videos while I eat lunch. My late lunch. I'm watching Macy Thompson, and this is her Sunday in my life at TCU video she just literally posted. And then for lunch, I'm just eating this like pasta salad I made the other night. And I shredded up some chicken, and then I added these leftover potatoes and some cheese to it. You're supposed to eat pasta salad cold, but I didn't want to eat it cold because it had chicken. And then I decided I wasn't going to add potatoes to it. So I'm eating it kind of like, it's not piping hot, but it's not super cold. But if you don't know what pasta salad is, it's just like you just take whatever like pasta you want. Usually it's just vegetables that you put in it and Italian dressing. But I made this the other night, like not yesterday but 2 days ago. I think it was a Monday I made it, and it was just like something to make, something to eat. So that's what I'm eating right now, and I'm sipping on my coffee from earlier because I just put it in the fridge. I feel like my coffee never tastes good when I buy it, but when I make it at work it always tastes good, and I make it the exact same way. So I don't know. But yeah, that's my little rant, and so that's what I'm doing right now. And then my boyfriend's gonna come over later, and I'm gonna have my meeting and do some more schoolwork until then. So this is the vibes. Guys, I forgot to tell you that we have a pet turtle now. My sister calls him or her. I don't know if it's a girl or boy, or if it's non-binary. But we call the turtle. Well, my sister called the turtle Nugget, and I call the turtle Tortilla. Like as in tortilla, but tort as in turtle. And this is our turtle. He or she is so cute. I seen them last Saturday where I was outside when I came home from work, and I picked them up and we brought them in the house because it was like raining, and when it rains in my neighborhood, a lot of the frogs and turtles and stuff comes out. And this is one of the turtles. It was so little and so tiny, we just wanted to take him in. And then when he gets big and becomes a big boy, we're going to put him right back out in the wild. But this is our pet turtle. He's so cute. She's so cute. You gonna come out? You gonna come out? I don't think he's gonna come out. She's very shy little guy. He likes the heat. I just keep saying he's a he because I don't know, but this is what he looked like. He's really tiny, and this is what his bottom looks like. It's so cute. But he likes the heat, so we keep the heater running and we put him in front of the heater. And we know that he likes raspberries, strawberries, and lettuce, so we feed him that. And we keep just a tiny little bit of water inside the tank. And yeah, I don't think he's gonna come out. He was out in the thing, but sometimes he gets nervous when we take him out the thing, out the cage. I don't want to say cage, but his little habitat. But I just thought we'd show you our turtle, so yeah. Okay, let's talk for a little bit, cause as you guys know, I've been off the grid, off of YouTube for at least 3 weeks now. At first, it just started off as midterms, and then the next week, I just really did not feel like posting. I didn't feel like filming, and any vlog and stuff that I tried to film, it just wasn't hitting. So I was just like, nah. But my phone's literally on 1%. But the reason why I haven't been posting is because I've been a lot more active on my Instagram because somebody had passed away, and I've been doing a lot of activism on my Instagram, and it's kind of like a tough subject to talk about because like this person I'm talking about was really close to my boyfriend's cousin. So his name was Donovan Lynch, and he was killed by Virginia Beach Police Department on March 26th. And I kind of didn't really want to talk about it because it's kind of like close to home because um, I was on spring break. March 25th and the 26th is what our school had gave us the days of spring break for. And on the 26th was a Friday, and my boyfriend and all his friends went to the beach, out to the ocean front, and I wanted to go, but I couldn't go because I had to work at Sonic 5 to 9. So it's like, okay, babe, like enjoy your time, have a good time with your friends, like be safe because we already know how like the Virginia Beach oceanfront gets down, especially like during spring break weekend. The week of spring break typically is really usually unsafe to be out at the oceanfront, especially Fridays and Saturday nights. During the summer when it starts to weather get hot, it's really not the best place to be because there's always some kind of shooting going on out there. And that's exactly what happened on March 26th. There was a shooting. It was 3 black males who decided to openly shot at the Virginia Beach oceanfront, and I'm so glad my boyfriend left like maybe just a little bit right before the shootings took place, so he was already out of the area. But unfortunately, one person did not make it, and his name is Donovan Lynch, and the Virginia Beach Police Department had shot him, and he was killed, and the Virginia Beach Police Department has done nothing about it. And usually I don't get into like stuff, I wouldn't say not get into stuff like this, but usually when I post stuff like this, it's usually something like George Floyd or Breonna Taylor, like people that are being shot or being killed by police in like different states. But never did I think it would be so close to home. And I think I was really mostly scared because like that could have been my boyfriend. It could have been my boyfriend or his friends. If I went out to the beach that night, if I didn't have to work, that could have been me. But instead it was my boyfriend, his cousin's girlfriend, brother who got shot and killed. And I can't imagine how she feels because I actually know her. I actually talked to her. I actually have to look her in her face. And it's just like, it could have been me. Like, what if me and my sister was out there and my sister could have got killed because we was simply at the wrong place at the wrong time? And so that's kind of like why I really been off the grid, because I kind of didn't really want to post because like that could have been my boyfriend. It could have been his cousin. And like, it's just like, wow. So that's really where I've been. Also, I haven't been really posting because I haven't been feeling like it. And I just been busy with school. I'm also back working 2 jobs. I'm back at working at Sonic. And I work Sonic on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 to 4. And on Friday 5 to 9. And I still work at Dunkin'. I work Dunkin' on Thursdays from 6 to 10. And then I work Dunkin' on the weekend, Saturday and Sunday 6 to 12. So that's another reason, because I just haven't been having the time working 2 jobs and doing schoolwork, and I kind of like haven't been doing the best at prioritizing my time. But I guess I wanted to tell y'all so y'all can see where I've been at and where my headspace been at. But I would include any links that I can find about Donovan Lynch, and put his Instagram if you want to follow his Instagram. And his Instagram is Justice for Donovan Lynch. You can put the hashtag on Instagram. Educate yourself on the situation. Don't forget to prioritize the problems that you have at home as well in your own backyards, because police brutality is still such a real thing, and it's just crazy. Yeah, and it don't make it even easier being a black YouTuber either, because it's so much work, and not to put in 2 times the amount of work just to get the same results as some of my white counterparts. And it's just like, it just made me realize a lot in these last couple of weeks. I just been really thinking, and it's like really crazy. Like my life could have changed if that was my boyfriend. Like, I can imagine how she feels, because she was the one who took me and my boyfriend photo shoot pictures. If you remember, I did a vlog about that, like a get ready with me vlog for that photo shoot and everything, and it's just crazy. So that's where I've been at. I just wanted to like talk about that real quick. But yeah, right now my head is on the positive thing. I'm so glad that it wasn't my boyfriend. I'm so glad that those people who did start the shooting in Virginia Beach has been arrested. I am disgusted by the Virginia Beach Police Department. I'm disgusted by the killing of Donovan Lynch. I'm disgusted that nobody is trying to really give this man justice, give his family justice and the closure that they need. In the Virginia Beach, the police department feel like they could take their time with this, and there has been no actions or repercussions for the officer that shot an innocent black man. But it's the same thing that we're still seeing, just like we literally watching George Floyd trial, when we all clearly seeing how he was murdered on camera, but yet he still gets a whole trial, like the whole world didn't watch this man die. But yet once again, the white men are always innocent until proven guilty, and it's never the same for somebody who's a person of color. So that's just America in general. But I'm kind of done talking about this topic, because like this is just always going to be a reoccurring issue, and it just truly sucks. But this is what it's like living in America if you're a person of color, always watching your back. Sad to say, but the truth is the truth. And yeah, but like I said, I link whatever information I could find, any GoFundMe's or anything, Instagrams or whatever for Donovan Lynch, so you guys can keep updated if you would like, and would like to share and post and repost whatever you can to get everybody you know can know about him who was innocently killed. So yeah, that's all I have to say on that topic at the moment. So it's been a little minute since I vlogged. It's currently 9:15, and your girl is getting tired. Usually I go to bed like midnight-ish, but I'm getting really sleepy. my boyfriend didn't end up being able to come over. He was on his way here, but then his people decided to do family game night, so he turned around and went back home. So I just been doing homework. I am a little sad about that, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm so used to seeing him almost every single day. So like when he say he's gonna come see me, and then when he doesn't come and see me, I get a little sad, just a little bit, because I enjoy spending time with him. And I enjoy, because usually he just come over and we just watch movies and stuff, and it's just nice. It just gives me a break from school, because I do school online, so like only time I really get to see and talk to people is during class, and not even, because half the time people don't even talk or participate in class. So the only interaction I get is from him and the people I go to work with. But I'm done doing work for today. I did not really check that much stuff off my to-do list. I got some chem notes done. I did my YouTube thumbnail. I didn't do my chem lab questions or my Spanish chapter project, because one is due Friday, one is due Monday. And I didn't do my flip grip episodes, but I did my psych notes. So we did a 10 class, psych notes, chem notes, and YouTube thumbnails. I did 4, and it's 4 out of 7, so that's not bad. So I just moved those 3 to tomorrow's day. Tomorrow's a busy day. I work 6 to 10 at Dunkin', then 11 to 4 at Sonic. Then I have my psych course mentor session at 6 o'clock, and then I have my housing assignment tomorrow at 1 o'clock. So tomorrow is a busy day. I might or might not vlog tomorrow, so if I don't, this is me in and out the vlog. Thank you for staying. Still trying to get my life together. I have 3 more weeks of school left, and then I'm done being a sophomore, and then I'll be a junior. So it's crazy, but as always, be safe and be positive, and I love you guys all the way to the moon and back. Mwah.